David, talk to us, because I've also heard the analogy used that whereas President Trump definitely has shown that we have muscle, we have strength, but he's talking to a country that enjoys taking a punch and can endure a whole lot of punches. Help us make sense of all that.
That's right. So Iran has moved into an asymmetric warfare posture, which means they're taking all of these airstrikes, which are doing massive damage to their infrastructure and to their military installations. But they've diffused weapons, diffused fighters, and they're prepared, I think, to try to make sure that ships cannot pass through the Strait of Hormuz. They have some capacity to do that, even though the strikes have been withering, because they have mines, they have seaborne drones, they have airborne drones. They probably are using very small units, and they have a very long coastline along the Strait of Hormuz. And so that enables them to conduct this asymmetric warfare that is hard for the U.S. to defeat.
And part of that asymmetric warfare, David, quickly includes possibly saying that, hey, we'll go after Qatar and other places like that if you don't leave us alone.
Absolutely. That's putting pressure on the U.S. by putting pressure on the U.S. allies and by increasing the oil price, by taking out the capacity of Qatar, Kuwait, and other countries in the Gulf to refine oil. And of course, with the Strait of Hormuz closed, they cannot export oil.
David Tafuri, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.